how to send or transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the different ways you can transfer money from Chime Bank to Cash App and from Cash App to Chime. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Cash App on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on your balance or the home icon in the bottom left corner. After that, tap on linked accounts and then select linked debit card. After that, choose the no card option, wait for it to load and click on continue. In the search bar, look for Chime and select the option. Provide your Chime email address and password to link Chime with Cash App. Once linked, you'll find the cash out option on your Cash App. Tap on it. Enter the amount you want to send from Chime to Cash App and then tap on the add button at the bottom. You'll see the amount added to your Cash App from your Chime account. So that's basically how you can transfer money between Chime and Cash App. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.